And next one, reason 3. So the solar energy and resources like water, solar energy and resources like water are available and abundance in this region. In this region. So this region leads to species diversification. Species diversification. So solar energy and resources like water are available and abundant in this region. So this region leads to the species diversification. Species, number of organisms, and diversification and number of changes. Number of changes. So these are very special character of third reason, species diversification. And reason 1 is speciation. Reason 1 is a speciation and reason 2 is niche specialization. Reason 1 speciation, reason 2 niche specialization, and reason 3 species diversification. Species diversification. So first of all, reason 1 form the species, number of species, and second one number of functions are formed, and third one is the species diversification. Species diversification. So number of species changes, life changes, life or living organisms changes. So these are the main reasons for the greater biodiversity. And next one, species richness. And next one, species richness. So number of species related to area. Number of species are related to area. So that is the species richness. It means number of species per unit area. Per unit area is also called the species richness. It is a very important 2 marks question also. So number of species per unit area. So that is the species richness. And it is calculated by, the formula is log S equal to Z log A plus log C. So log S is equal to species richness. S is equal to species richness and Z equal to slope of line and A equal to area and C equal to y-intercept. So this is the formula of species richness. The species are related to areas. Is calculated by the formula is log S equal to Z log A plus log C. So S is the species richness and Z is the slope of line and A is the area and C is the y-intercept. So this is the calculated by the area species. And next one is the threats to biodiversity. Threats to biodiversity. So what is a threats to biodiversity? And threats to biodiversity is caused by mainly four causes, four reasons. Four reasons are four causes. Mainly four causes to leads the threats to biodiversity. Four causes. So these four causes leads to extinction of species, extinction of number of species in the world. So mainly threats to biodiversity. So it caused the four causes or four reasons. These four causes leads to extinction of number of species in the world. Extinction of number of species in the world. So it's having a four mainly causes. So then it is also called evil quartet. It is also called evil. Four causes also called evil quartet. Evil quartet. So first reason is first one is the habitat loss and fragmentation. First one, habitat loss and fragmentation. And second one, over exploitation. Second reason is over exploitation. And third one is invasion of alien species. Invasion of alien species. And fourth one is co-extinction. So these are the main four reasons of the threats to the biodiversity. So first one is the habitat loss and fragmentation. So it is also mainly four parts. So deforestation and conversion of forest lands to agricultural land, and third one is the pollution, and fourth one is the fragmentation. So first one is the habitat loss and fragmentation. So habitat loss and fragmentation is first one, deforestation. So what is a deforestation? It leads to the species extinction. It leads to the species extinction in forest. Species extinction in the forest. So extinction means endangered species. Extinction means endangered species. It leads to the species extinction in forest. Okay, so example, tropical rainforest. Deforestation means it leads to the species extinction in the forest. Deforestation, forest. D means delete. What delete? Which extinction of species? It leads to species extinction or species deleted in the forest. Species deleted in the forest is also called the deforestation. Example, tropical rainforest. And once covering the 14% of earth. It is also covering the 14% of earth land surface is now not more than 4%. Nowadays it is at 4%. Once upon a time, so it is a 14% of land. Nowadays it is a 4%. So that is the deforestation. And second one is conversion of forest lands to agricultural land. So the forest land is converted to agricultural land. So some humans do that. For example, Amazon rainforest. So Amazon rainforest, it is also called lungs of our planet. Lungs of our planet. It is also called lungs of our planet. And harboring a innumerable species is cut and cleared to cultivate the soya beans culture nowadays. It is used to soya beans culture. Some grasslands to raising to beef cattle. Beef cattle. And next one is pollution, and third one is pollution. So pollution also a degradation of habitat, and change the quality of environment. So first of all, the pollution is more nowadays, and degradation of habitat, and they cause the change the quality of environment. They change the quality of environment. So it is mainly reason by pollution. And next one is the fragmentation. Fragmentation means and cutting of small pieces is called the fragmentation. It is also leads to population decline. Leads to population declines. Example, mammals and birds. So these are the mainly first reason. So habitat loss and fragmentation. First of all, deforestation and conversion of forest lands to agricultural land, and third one is the pollution, and fourth one is the fragmentation. So it is the first reason. And second one is a over exploitation. And it's having a main best example is Steller sea cow. It's having the Steller sea cow. Steller sea cow. Steller sea cow. And passenger pigeon, and Steller sea cow. So these organisms are extinct by humans. Over exploitation by humans. Over exploitation by the humans. So over exploitation, Steller sea cow and passenger pigeon. So this is Steller sea cow. So this is the sea organism and passenger pigeon. So these are over exploitation by the humans. And next one is invasion of alien species. So invasion means introduce. So introduce into the alien species. So alien species means new species or other species. So invasion of alien species means a new species are introduced into our area, then from the new species are expired. The next one, example, nail punch. Example, nail punch. Nail punch is introduced into the Lake Victoria. Nail punch is introduced into Lake Victoria in the East Africa. It leads to 200 species of cichlates are extinct. Nail punch is introduced in the Lake Victoria in the East Africa, and it leads to the 200 species of cichlates are extinct in the lake. So nail punch is the tiger fish. So it is also eat and small fishes in the lake. in Lake Victoria. And next one is the co-extinction. Next one is the co-extinction. So what is a co-extinction? The relationship between the two organisms, plant and animals. The relationship between the two animals, plant and animals. And if a plant become extinct, then the animal also extinct. What is a co-extinction? So the relation between the plant and animal. The relation between the plant and animal is called the co-extinction. So if plant is become extinct, then the animal also extinct. So this is the co-extinctions.